Hey folks, I want to show you a quick little trick on how to fix a cracked taillight or housing. Here's a taillight off my pickup truck, and this is where the screws go in to hold it to the bed, and those are the only two things that hold it onto the truck. When I took it off to change the light bulb, I saw that it was cracked right along here where this seam is, and what I did was I went and got some PVC primer and glue, and I cleaned both surfaces, the top piece and the bottom piece, with the primer all the way around, and I followed the directions on the can, and I used the glue, and I glued the plastic tab back together. I'm going to let it dry for a couple hours, and should be good as new. Thanks for watching.